Welcome back. Now, before we confirm and start the new series, what we want to do is to go back one screen from this follow-up campaign screen. And you're going to notice another link here, and it says add another email. So we can add another email to this series, to this audience. We're going to click add another email. And basically, we now have another automation email. So what we're going to do now is we're going to design this email. First, we're going to determine the trigger. And we could state that this email is going to be another week after the previous automation email. So in other words, what's going to happen is that an individual is going to get a welcome email. Then after 1 week, they're going to get another email. And then they're going to, after another week, get the email that we're setting up right now. We're now going to update the trigger. And now the trigger has been updated so that it says 1 week. We're still going to leave all the other emails in place. And basically, this is now the second email in our series. Again, we're going to design our email in order to go out to say what we wanted to say. We'll click Design Email, and then we'll write in our identifying information. And we can do this as many times as we want to add emails. We'll then click Next. We'll then see the campaign, and we'll then click Start Sending. Now, this email is going to be in a section called Workflows. And knowing where the workflows are is important, because it could be that once a campaign has started, we may want to come back to that campaign. We may then want to edit that campaign. We may then want to come back and then add in another email and set it up for a specific time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.